Welcome, today I am with SoundPeats TrueAir 2 and I will show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So you get basically two options. And the first one, you just open the case of your SoundPeats, just like that. Next, move to the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone, enable Bluetooth, and now remove them from the case. And they will be turned to the pairing mode automatically. So as you can see, the indicator is blinking on the white color right here, and it means that they are in the pairing mode. We have to refresh the list. As you can see, here we have our SoundPeats. So when you tap on them once and accept pairing request, you will be connected after a few seconds. We got also another option, so we can move them to the pairing mode manually. Let me just disconnect and forget. And if in your case they are not in the pairing mode automatically, you have to move them to the pairing mode manually. And how we can make it? That's very simple. You have to press and hold the right or the left but for 6 seconds on this button. So let's make it right now. After that you have to release and then refresh the list, and they will be back in the pairing mode. So when you tap once, you will be able to connect. So that's how you can make it, and you can also check the user manual. And in this place, take a look. Let me catch focus. Here is the option how to enter the pairing mode manually. So as I said, you have to press and hold the right one button for the 6 seconds. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.